Welcome to this comprehensive review of SolSea, a fast-growing NFT marketplace built on the Solana blockchain. If you're looking for a platform to buy, sell, or mint NFTs, SolSea is one of the best choices, offering a user-friendly interface and quick transactions thanks to Solana's high-speed network. In this video, we will walk you through the SolSea platform, starting with how to navigate through the site. The first thing you'll notice when you visit SolSea is the clean, intuitive layout. On the homepage, you can quickly browse featured collections, new arrivals, trending NFTs, and much more. The search bar at the top allows you to easily find specific creators, collections, or NFTs that interest you. If you're a creator, you'll appreciate the option to mint your own NFTs directly on the platform, with no coding required. Point one of SolSea's standout features is its support for creator royalties. This means that creators can earn a percentage of each resale of their NFTs, ensuring long-term passive income potential. Whether you're an artist, musician, or content creator, this is an excellent way to benefit from your work even after it's sold. To mint an NFT, all you need to do is upload your artwork or digital content, set a price, and choose your royalty percentage. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to SolSea, the platform also supports a variety of digital assets beyond art, including music, games, and collectibles. This makes it a versatile marketplace that caters to all kinds of NFT creators and collectors. SolSea also integrates a bidding system, which allows users to bid on listed NFTs and gives buyers the opportunity to acquire items at a price they're willing to pay. Navigating through your SolSea profile is straightforward too. You can see your own NFTs, track your transactions, and manage your collections easily. The platform also ensures a secure environment for trading by using Solana's blockchain, which offers low transaction fees and high speed. Now, if you're ready to start buying or selling NFTs on SolSea, simply connect your wallet, such as Phantom or SolSea, and you can begin exploring the marketplace. The buying process is simple, and you can use Solana's SOL tokens or other supported cryptocurrencies for your transactions. Whether you're new to NFTs or an experienced trader, SolSea offers all the tools you need to explore the world of digital collectibles. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you found this review helpful.